Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2010. Question number 1 is a metal plate size 500 mm into 800 mm into 20 mm and thermal conductivity of 30 watt per meter per degree Celsius is maintained at 2 degree Celsius. Air at 20 degree Celsius is blowing over the plate if convection heat transfer coefficient is 25 watt per meter square per degree Celsius and 200 watt is lost by the plate by radiation. Compute the inside temperature. So heat transfer from the outer surface is heat transfer due to convection plus heat transfer due to radiation. So that is heat transfer due to convection is H into A bracket Ts minus T. Ts is surface temperature, T into it is ambient temperature. H is convective heat transfer coefficient. Area is area of outside area of whole plate, that is 500 into 800 plus 820 plus 20 into 500. So that is the area of 3 surfaces. There are 6 surfaces to multi-surface. So these are in mm. So convert, so divided by 1000 square to convert it into meter. And temperature difference is 250 and minus 20. So heat transfer comes out as 5099 watt. Okay. So this is the heat transfer. And now we have to find out the inside temperature, because outside temperature is given, that is 250, and ambient temperature is also given, that is 20. So we have to find out the inside temperature. So Q1 heat is lost from here from this surface, Q2 from this surface, Q3 from this surface, Q4 from this surface, Q5 and Q6 from this surface. So now starting with midpoint up to surface point, the conductive resistance is, because for this is 20, this is given as 20, so half is 10, so 10, and area of this is 500 into 800. X by k is the resistance in conduction. So X is 10 and area is 500 to 800. So if we convert this into meter, so we have to divide 500 and 800 by 1000 square. And if we want to convert 10 into meter, then we have to divide by 1000. So 1000 you can throw. So ultimate result will be this: 10 into 1000 divided by 30 into 500 into 800. Because the 30 is in watt per meter per degree. Okay. So that is given. So that is your R1 or R2. That would be same, because thickness we are taking midpoint and up. Similarly, so this is your 500 and this is your 800. Then half will be your 250 and this will be 800 into 20, and R3 and R4 will come out as 0.520, and R5 and R6 will come out as, here will take 400 into 1000, and area is 800, 500 20, so that will be 1.6. So now all these resistances can be zoomed in parallel, because we need to find out this temperature. So if we take only these two resistances, so that is going to atmosphere from midpoint, and that is also going to atmosphere from midpoint. So they will make parallel. Similarly, 3 and 4 will also make parallel. 4 and 5 and 6 will also make parallel. So all the resistance will be in parallel, because end point for all the resistance is atmospheric and inside. Okay, so these can be zoomed in parallel. So for parallel, the equivalent resistance will be 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5 plus 1 by R6 is equal to 1 by R equivalent. From this we can find out R equivalent. So that is your R equivalent, and T is your midpoint temperature, Ts is surface temperature, and this is the conduction resistance. So heat transfer we have calculated, that is 5099 from all the surfaces, and these are the resistance from all the surfaces. So heat transfer is Q P minus Ts by resistance. So T comes out as 252.119 degrees Celsius. That is the midpoint temperature.